Hey everyone, this is Bubble Man here, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can blow bubbles from your mouth, just like this. Okay, so let's get right into it. So your mouth should be in a condition between humid and dry. I mean, like, you should not drink water, right? You cannot do this right after you drink some water, nor you can do it when your mouth is dry. So stay where you are, keep your mouth shut, and let's look towards the actual movement. First of all you're gonna need is your mouth. You're gonna lift your tongue up, and you're gonna drop your tongue down on this part right here. Slowly. That should be done slowly. Until you should repeatedly do this until you feel a firm spit or firm type of bubbly or funny feeling in your mouth. And if you want to ensure that the bubble feeling is correct, then if you push hard on that bubble, you should get this type of sound. You should be able to produce that sound. So now to the next step. All we're gonna need is a shoveling action from the tongue that looks something like this. You're just dropping your tongue until you feel the firm pressure, and you're gonna shovel the firm feeling upwards, just like this. And then you just blow lightly on that thing from the inner part of your mouth, and that's all it. So just be aware that people will consider you to be an a-hole if you do in front of them, because it's literally spitting in front of them. And if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Hit like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. So until next time, Bubbleman out. Peace.